channel. I am excited to be doing my first unboxing, and cover up my address. This is from How to Be a Redhead, and I am very excited to be doing my first unboxing on my channel. This box is $20.48 a month, and I will admit I did peek in here because this is my first month getting it. But next month I will be doing a video where I'll be talking about these products, how I liked them, and then opening the next month's box. I signed up for 3 months subscription. So let's see. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. Very cute. And then you have all your goodies inside. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we have a coupon for Amazing Cosmetics, just for you, $10 off with the code. So I have never used anything from Amazing Cosmetics. If you have, I'd love to know down below what you like, what you recommend, because like I said, I've never used them. And it says their products, are especially the Amazing Concealer and Brow Powder, are truly redhead friendly. Remember, a little concealer goes a long way. Okay. Then we have another gift certificate for $10 with a coupon code for GYV. And again, I've never heard of them. If you have, let me know. I'd love to know. It says with every purchase, we GYV a portion of our proceeds to charity. Our passion for Mesoamerican staples, voices, flavors, and fragrances will guide efforts to find and support organizations who are nurturing and inspiring the communities that inspire us. Never heard of them. Okay, then we do have the info card here. So it says, April H2Bar box. It's spring, a new season, and this time it's all about changing up your redhead beauty routine. These are our favorite redhead-friendly approved products for transition into exciting new season. Red Wishes, Adrian, I think, Stephanie, and H2Bar team. So then on the back, it tells you all about the products and their value. Okay, so let's see. We have PCA Skin, and I've never heard of them either, so this will be good. So far, these are products I've never tried or heard of. So this is Sheer Tint Eye Triple Complex, and when I'm going to use this, I'm going to just poke a little pin hole in here, and so you can get more out of your samples that way when they're on a card like that. And then we have 2 of the CNE Advanced, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that, with that in it. And let's see, what is this even? PCA. It says PCA Skin Samples, so I guess they're including all 3, is a $10 value. And this says directions: apply after cleansing, toning, apply any PCA skin treatment serums, apply to the face and neck in the morning. Okay, so this is moisturizer. Okay, so they're both the same. Yeah, okay. So there's that. Then we have, the GYV. This is travel hand size lotion, a $4 value plus the $10 gift card. So I definitely am going to look up this brand because it just kind of, I don't know, there's not really any instructions or labels or ingredients on it or anything. I know that it says travel size, but kind of strange. In mango, but it smells good. That's what it looks like. And the texture of it seems like it blends on good. It's not oily. So, I don't know. That's kind of strange. It just seems like something that you might buy at like a farmer's market or something. So, you know, kind of how the packaging is. So, who knows? Okay. Then we have the Coola organic makeup setting spray plus hyaluronic acid with SPF 30. And I know that I've heard a lot about the Coola brand. This says this is a $7.50 value. The first 70% organic SPF 30 weightless matte finish mist protects the sensitive skin on your face while keeping your makeup looking fresh all day long. Okay, let's see if I can get this off, and we will give it a try right now. So I don't know. Okay, see what this mister is like. It's okay. I feel like I can smell, let's see, it's supposed to be organic. It says featuring peony leaf, juniper berry, and phoenix leaf stem stem. So maybe the juniper berry, because there was some kind of scent that instantly I could smell, but I couldn't figure out what it was. Oh, you're supposed to shake well before use, with your eyes completely closed and breath held, mist faced evenly, holding bottle 10 to 12 inches away from the face, allow to fully dry. So I'm going to shake it up, and while we go on to the next thing and then try it. Okay, so then we have, it's going to be Derma E. Okay, I probably shook this enough. Let's try this again. Okay, that was better when you shake it. But I don't know. I don't think that the scent, I'm not sure what I'm picking up on, but I don't know if I'm a big fan of the scent. It does say that this is made in the US. I don't know if this brand, if all their products are, if just the sample is. Let's see, where did they say? I know that sometimes the samples are made in the US, but then the other product isn't. So I will check on that. But yeah, so okay. Derma E, this is rose cleansing oil, a $5 value, and it's time to rejuvenate your redhead skin after a long winter. Dissolve away long-lasting makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with beautiful oils. It says how to use: gently massage a dime-sized amount onto dry face and neck. Using a warm, damp cloth, wipe the oil from your skin. Use in the morning and evening. Okay. Cruelty-free, 100% vegan. Okay, never tried that either. Then we have, this is in a little baggie. This is BU Spray-On Alcohol-Free Performance Sunscreen. So I think that is nice. I've been wanting to get a spray-on sunscreen to try that. SPF 30, and it does say product of the US, cruelty free. I don't know if all their stuff is made in the US. And let's see, I do not see this one on here for some reason. So, okay, we'll set that one aside. Then we have Not Your Mother's Daughter. No, Not Your Mother's Daughter. I think that's a jean company. Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector instantly transforms a manageable hair. Okay, so it says goodbye high maintenance, adds bodies, detangles, adds shines, protects, moisturizes, controls frizz, repairs dry hair, heat protection, mends split ends, creates silkiness. So apply to clean towel dried hair. Style as usual, can be used on dry hair also. Okay, and so this one is a $4 value. Okay, so it doesn't say that you're supposed to shake it or anything. Just kind of see what it does right there. So it smells good. Yeah, I think I already can see just in the spot where I sprayed it, it's kind of a little bit silkier, not as frizzy. So I'm happy with this already. Yeah, it smells really good. It kind of smells like a coconutty, but not overpowering. So yeah, I'm excited about this one. I think that because my hair right now is, I think from the winter, is really dry and frizzy. So that is cool. Okay, then we have Skin Magic Tea. So there's 3. These feel like tea bags. And it says, this is your tea. This is $4 value. The ingredients in this tea have been used to assist in problematic skin. And there's no instructions or anything on it. There is a website, yourtea.com. So I don't know, that's kind of strange. Like this and these have no like instructions or ingredients or anything. I don't know if that's typical for a lot of the subscription boxes when you're getting samples or not. But so I'll try them out. I'm not a huge tea drinker, but I do drink it once in a while, so I will try that. We have a bonus item here, an $8 value. Oh, the sunscreen. That's what it's talking about. This one goes with that. Okay, so this is an $8 value, and it is a bonus. It's a new item in the H2Bar e-commerce store, and the most popular yet. It said the sunscreen is so easy to apply, feels like a puff of air going on the skin, and dries silky with a smooth finish. And then they have a code for 10% off. So yeah, I'll definitely be giving that a try. So that's kind of nice. You get a little bonus. Okay. Then we have a Bang Beauty lip crayon. And this is in color Dangerous. Woo! That is red. Okay. So this says, this is lip crayon, $18. The first lip crayon ever in the H2Bar box. The long-wearing lip crayon delivers rich color that lasts, and the shade is so Redhead friendly. Using one swipe, the Bang Beauty lip crayon delivers full coverage. No need for a lip liner either. So let's swatch this here. Oh, it goes on really creamy. It feels very silky and creamy on the swatch at least. So yeah, I think that will be good actually. I was a little like, oh, I don't know in color or in the tube, but I think when I swatched it, I think that'll be a pretty color. So again, that's an $18 value. And the last item we have in here, it has a little instruction card thing with it. This is Bellapierre Pro Concealer Palette, a $30 value. See the info card attached to your palette on how Redhead should use. So here we have, it says on how to use the color correcting, which I am so bad at using color correcting. So this will be nice because I definitely am going to try this out because I've never had success with them. Green is used, the most used colors for redheads. It says it cancels redness, rosacea, and pimples. The peachy color is when you're blue anywhere, and the purple is when you're super pale or gray. You use that shade. So this is, oh, a $30 value. So I don't know about that. Let's see, let me grab my scissors here. I will open that. So the only things that I've heard about is the Not Your Mother's and the Coola. I have never heard of any of these other brands. So have you? Okay, let's see what this palette looks like when you open it. Okay, so yeah. So we'll see. Let's just kind of swatch them and see. Like I said, I've never been one that's had luck with the color correcting thing. So I think I might do a video, we'll see, about trying these out. Okay, I don't know. You can't really even see the purple, but maybe that's the point. But they were silky and creamy to put on. So we will see. This says it's cruelty-free, 12-month shelf life, and made in China. So I don't know. I'm a little like, but you know, I'm not going to write it off or anything just with 1 month. And it probably is just because I haven't really heard of these brands. You know, maybe they're really awesome and then I'll be excited. But I think my first impression is just like, okay, it seems okay. I don't know if, I feel like on a lot of the subscription boxes that they might have inflated values, but we will see. So I hope that you enjoyed watching the unboxing. I had fun doing it, and I'm very excited to use out these products and try it and see what they're like. So stay tuned for next month. I will tell you what I think of all these and what we get in the next box. Thanks for watching. Bye.